Hi, my name is Jennifer Kaufman. I'm a senior manager in the Information Engineering Content Services group at NetApp, and I'm here to answer some of your questions about technical documentation and content. What is Docs.netapp.com? I'm so glad you asked. Docs.netapp.com is our one-stop shop for all of the technical documentation that you need to be successful with NetApp products. So it's a place where you'd find support content, technical documentation, content written by technical marketing engineers like tech reports, white papers, links to videos, resources, applications like Hardware Universe, pretty much anything that you need to be successful with NetApp products. And it's curated by our technical documentation team. So all the best stuff in one spot. Our goal is to continually improve the customer experience with content. So we're always looking for ways to make it easier for you to find what you need, to learn what you need, and also we want to make it easier on our end to keep our content fresh. So we do a lot of transforming of our business to keep up with what NetApp is doing from the product side. And when we started to move into supporting cloud products, we discovered that our tried and true methodology for creating content, while it was really great, was not as good at keeping pace with really quickly developed and deployed products. And so we launched a GitHub authoring environment that could support sort of fast review, fast update, and collaborative content development. And this allows us to treat content as a sort of a living thing. So we can refresh it, we can update it, we can invite the content community in to contribute. And we are so enamored of this approach that we've actually started using it for other products that are not cloud products and that might not be as released as quickly or in as much of a DevOps manner, but that still benefit from having the content be so easily updatable and so adaptable. The really exciting thing about this is we've started to get some expert community members kind of used to the process of contributing to the content directly. So it's not just technical writers, but other expert users who can make sure that the content is kept up to date and make corrections and suggestions and kind of build a little bit more of a group of folks who care about content, which of course we're very passionate about, including Doc, our little friend here, who is our mascot, who has flown out all over the world to visit people who have contributed content to our GitHub repo in the last couple months. So there's lots of different options when you're looking for tools and platforms with content development and publishing. We provide publishing services not just to our own authors, but to other groups who create content as well. And so it's important when we're really trying to create an environment where lots of different kinds of people can create, develop, and publish content, that we don't pick something that's super ivory tower or difficult for other people to use or keeps people out of our content creation environment. So we chose GitHub because it's a well-known tool. Lots of developers use it. Lots of other companies use it to develop content, to develop products. It's easy to have a user ID. It's easy to get the hang of using it, contributing to content that's residing in it. And again, emphasis here on speed and agility and a kind of a content ops mindset makes it the best choice for us for now. And we can easily add to the tech stack. So if we decide we want to do something new, we've got a great tools team here in the technical content services organization, and we can just kind of add features and functionality as they become necessary. We can localize, globalize for the global audience. We've added PDF generation and various other things as we kind of develop our platform. So it's very agile and nimble and seemed just like the right choice for us. We really hope that you will contribute. And the way to do that is that if you're looking at product documentation that's been authored in GitHub, you will see a Request Doc Changes button right on the screen where the content is. And if you find yourself using the product documentation and maybe have an idea for what might make it better, you can simply log in with your GitHub ID, which anyone can get, and request a change to the documentation. The person who is responsible for that product will review it, and if it's accurate and helpful, they will commit the change, and we will be very happy. If you are looking at documentation that is not authored in GitHub, but is instead authored in our older style of product documentation, which is called a documentation center, there's still a place where you can make a request for a change. It's just a slightly less immediate process. There's a little icon, like a little speech bubble icon, and if you click on that, you can fill out a form and submit a change request to us, and we'll process it that way. What's next for us is, for now, new documentation will all be authored in the GitHub platform. We are really excited by it, by the speed and the agility and the collaborative nature of that platform. But we're going to keep looking for ways to evolve docs.netapp.com to make sure that it's giving the best possible content experience for the customer. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know what innovation we'll come up with. And if you have any questions or comments, or you want to reach out to us, you can always find us at our NetApp Twitter handle @NetAppDoc, or you can write to us at doccomments@netapp.com. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, comment below or tweet us at NetApp Assist, and see you next time. Say bye, Doc.